Open a group home in Texas in 90 days. Here's the exact steps to follow. First, clarity. A group home is a small residence supporting people who need help with daily living, like adults with disabilities, seniors, or youth in care. The aim is dignity, safety, and belonging. Step 1. Pick your population and model. Whether it's adults with IDD, childcare, or assisted living, oversight is through Texas HHSC. This choice dictates your rules, staffing, and funding. Step 2. Validate demand. Map existing homes. Talk to case managers and families. Scan demographic trends and find gaps in care. Step 3. Build a business plan that wins funding. Detail your services, staffing ratios, budgets, and Medicaid revenue assumptions. Include policies, risk management, and a 12-month cash flow. Grab a Texas-specific template and book a consultation to sanity check it. Step 4. Lock in compliance early. Read the Texas Administrative Code for your license type. Draft resident rights, medication protocols, and incident reporting. Training is non-negotiable. CPR, first aid, and crisis intervention are essential. Step 5. Facility and zoning. Confirm local zoning, accessibility, and fire safety. Get a fire inspection and health approvals. You'll need general and professional liability, workers' compensation, and property insurance. Step 6. Submit the application. Include floor plans, policies, staffing plan, and insurance documents. Prepare for the site inspection with mock audits. Step 7. Hire and train for culture. Use clear roles, competency checklists, and shadow shifts. Step 8. Fund the runway. Look into grants, SBA loans, and private donations. Medicaid reimbursement begins once residents enroll. After licensing, stay audit ready. Refresh training and review policies quarterly. Want hands-on help? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll help you get licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.